Hey guys, I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is going to be my go-to autumnal makeup look for 2025, and this is the kind of makeup I've been wearing a lot lately. I have been switching out the lip with a brown lip. Been really enjoying brown lips this year, but I thought I would wear this sort of plummy blackberry shade today just to mix it up a little bit. So let's jump back to the start, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Okay. I'm going to start with eyes as normal. And I'm going to take my Tartelette palette and just use the shade Dreamer, this brown here. And I'm going to pack that onto a short angled shader brush and just run that along my upper lash line as a sort of soft liner look. I've just really messily applied that because I'm going to go in and clean it up in a minute. But I'm going to take my Natasha Denona Golden palette, and what do I want to use? I'm going to use the shade Panna just to put at the very top of my crease to help blend the crease shade. I'm going to pop Panna on first, sort of just underneath the brow bone really. Then I'm going to take Teak, which is this sort of quite deep matte chocolatey brown. And I'm going to run that through the crease. And then on the lid I'm going to take the shade Alchemist. I'm going to use my finger to start with and just apply it like that. It's quite a foiled shimmer shade, so I'm just going to pack it on the lid like so. I go back into the Tartelette palette on that Dreamer shade and just re-intensify the liner. Along the lash line. Right, I'm going to put my mascara on. I'm using the Rimmel Thrill Seeker, but this is in the shade Black Brown, and I've been really enjoying wearing brown mascara over black recently. This is like a dark, it's a dark brown, so it's not like hugely noticeable. But I just think when I'm wearing like browny bronzy looks or warm tones, it just works so well. Still like a black mascara when I'm wearing cool tones. I've actually run out of my brow pencils and brow gel. I have no brow products left in my collection, so I'm gonna have to go with bare brows today, but that's fine. I have ordered a new brow pencil, so that should arrive fairly soon. I'm not going to put anything under my lower lash line because this is like an everyday look, and I'm going to go for a bold lip, so I don't want to be too harsh. But I am going to pop my Torch eyeliner. This is the one from Urban Decay, just in my waterline. It's because I'm trying to finish it up. Ow. It's really dry now, so it hurts when I put it in my eye. But for my base, I'm just going to use the Collection. For my base, I'm just going to use the Collection concealer and mix it in with my e.l.f. concealer. The Collection one's in the shade Buttercream, I think. Can't see it on there, but the e.l.f. one is in the shade Medium Peach. I'm also going to put just a little squeeze of the Say, what's this? The Say Gluey Super Gel, the Say Glowy Super Gel in the shade Star Glow, and just make a little cocktail on the back of my hand. Right, I'm going to set my face with what's left of my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. And then underneath my eyes, I'm going to use my Kosas Cloud Set in the shade Buttery, I think. Yeah. I'm going to take my Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer and just go lightly over the face, and then I'm going to go over that with my Revolution bronzer in the shade Bronzer Reloaded Holiday Romance, and this is lighter and nice and glowy. And then for blush, I'm just going to go in with my Kosas Euphoria Blush is Life blusher, which is like a sort of plummy shade. And then I'm going to line my lips with a Barry M lip liner in the shade Toast, which is just a sort of brown. A neutral mid-tone brown. And then for lips, I've been using my Fenty Beauty Breadwinner liquid lipstick a lot, and I do kind of want to wear that today, but I feel like I've worn it a lot on my channel recently. You know what it looks like on me, so I think I'm going to wear the Anastasia Lip Velvet in the shade Blackberry today, which is obviously more of that plummy autumnal vibe. So let's give it a go. I literally love the Lip Velvet formula by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's like my favourite. It's probably my favourite formula of lip product that I own, and I only have two. I have this one and then I have Pure Hollywood. But yeah, that is the final autumnal makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please do give it a thumbs up and let me know what else you want to see in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!